Ayun, hello guys! Again, I'm Ralph. I'm from Baguio and I'm a froghead. And today po, I'll be continuing lang dun sa series na ginagawa ko on local perfumes. Local niche perfumes in my collection to be specific, no? And I share to you why I love them. So ayan guys, no, yung brand, yung perfume na aking pong i-review for today or i-share for today, I would say is a dear na brand to my heart. Bakit po? For two reasons. One, kasi yung perfumer is a personal friend of mine. And number two, this brand is Baguio based. Ayan, o siguro may clue na kayo kung anong brand. So without further ado guys, no, this brand is called Sleek and Lavish. No, shout out sa perfumer, sa owner, my friend Stefan Clase. No, it's a privilege, no, it's an honor to see Stefan grow, no, as a perfumer, no, at napakalaki po nung heart, napakalaki ng passion sa perfumery ni Stefan, no. Nakakamangha tong taong to, nakakabilib lang, no, and I'm honored, no, to be his friend, no. Yeah, no, so ayun, no, specifically yung perfume na gusto ko pong i-review from the brand of Sleek and Lavish is called, ayan, no, so this is called Recreating Razor's Reverie. So Recreating Razor's Reverie, tinanong ko si Stefan, sabi ko, anong inspiration mo dito? Sabi niya, nung bata siya, may ginagamit na shaving cream yung father niya na gustong-gusto niya yung amoy. So, sabi niya gusto niyang i-recreate, no, that's the name, no, gusto niyang i-recreate yung smell na yon. But of course, aside from the smell, no, aside from the scent profile na gusto ni Stefan, syempre yung memory that is attached to it, no, mahalaga yun, no, mas importante yun for me, no. Yeah, so I'll be placing here yung complete note breakdown, but this is notes of bergamot, this is notes of black pepper, this is notes of lavender, meron siyang orris, meron siyang vetiver, leather, and incense, no. So what do I get from here, no? Paano siya nag-develop, or ano yung impression ko sa scent niya? So for me, this opens up with lots of citruses, no? Bergamot to be specific. No, and guys, no, yung cedar, no, para sa akin, meron siyang meron siyang smell ng parang bagong tasa na pencil. Para siyang fresh pencil shavings or parang sawdust. Parang may ganong smell. So imagine bergamot. So daming citruses, 'di ba? Tapos lagyan mo ng black pepper, maraming black pepper. So this is fresh, citrusy and spicy. Tapos nilagyan mo ng amoy ng pencil shaving. So parang ganun siya for me, no. And as it develops, no, it becomes smoky, no. Siguro of course because of the incense, no, and yung vetiver kasi it has this tendency to be smoky din, no. And yung leather guys, no, hindi siya ganun ka prominent for me. It serves as a backdrop sa overall structure composition ng Recreating Razor's Reverie. And siguro isa pang gusto kong i-mention guys, while it is not listed, no, siguro yung composition niya, because of how the notes combine, no, para din siyang may smell sa akin ng ginger, no, para po sa may mga Recreating Razor's Reverie. I don't know if it's just me, pero para sa akin para din siyang may smell ng ginger, no, yung combination na yun ng notes. Anyway guys, no, this is an aromatic fougere, no. When we say fougere sa perfumery, it means siguro in simpler terms, no, imagine yung classic barbershop style, no, or smell. So you're smelling yung barbershop with its vintage colognes and the vintage na gel, no, mga pomada, no, at yung vintage na powder. So parang ganun siya for me, no. So yeah, no, this is a fougere, no. Siguro I will give you an example of a fougere, no. This is called Brackenman by the House of Amouage. Ito talagang fougere to, no. So yeah, no, this is an example of a fougere. If you have tried fougere, no, or fern, no, so may fern design siya dito. But yeah, no, ganun yung direction, ganun yung composition ni Recreating Razor's Reverie. So yeah, no, this is this is for me truly niche, no? Truly vintage, no? It is worth mentioning din siguro, guys, no, na yung perfumer nito is also a vintage collector, vintage perfume collector, no? Kasi dalawa kami, no, we share thoughts about vintage perfumery. So yeah, no, again, recreating Razor's Reverie from the House of Sleek and Lavish. Guys, siguro gusto ko na rin i-mention, no, yung owner, yung perfumer ng Sleek and Lavish, no, si Stefan, no, nung December 25, he suffered from hemorrhagic stroke, no. So ngayon talagang wala, no, he's recovering, no, pero very slowly, no, and his family needs assistance, no. Thus, no, I've asked help from the fragrance community, and thank you so much po sa mga nag-help. And guys, siguro gusto ko lang din i-take yung opportunity to ask more help, no, for his family. Actually, sa ngayon, guys, yung Sleek and Lavish, no, ako po yung nagma-manage, no. Well, basically I'm managing lang yung mga remaining stocks ni Stefan, kasi supposedly may rebranding si Stefan this January, pero dahil nga doon sa nangyaring stroke sa kanya, no, hindi na nangyari, no. And yun nga, no, guys, no, if you are interested, no, I'm selling yung remaining stocks po ng Sleek and Lavish, no. Lahat po to, guys, mapupunta po sa kanyang family. And guys, no, yung mas importante siguro na I would be asking from you is to pray for Stefan and his family. Napakalaki ng talent, napakalaki ng potential ni Stefan, and we want him, no, na makabalik sa game ulit, no. Although honestly speaking, no, alam natin na medyo malayo-layo pa yon, pero darating din yun, no. And yan, no, guys, maraming salamat po sa help, maraming salamat po sa support, and let us continue to support Stefan and his family. So yun lang, guys, no, thank you so much for being here, no. And kayo, guys, ano po ang favorite local niche perfume ninyo, or have you tried, no, perfumes from Sleek and Lavish? So yun lang, guys, thank you so much po.